When you reach your 70s, your body has already carried you through decades of experiences, challenges, and countless steps. By this stage, you know how important it is to take care of yourself, but what many people don't realize is that maintaining strong legs isn't just about exercise. Nutrition plays an equally critical role, especially when it comes to collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, making up the structure of your skin, tendons, cartilage, and muscles. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. Unfortunately, after about the age of 25, collagen production begins to decline. By the time you reach your 70s, collagen levels have dropped significantly, which can affect the strength of your muscles, the stability of your joints, and even the flexibility of your tendons. That's why seniors often notice more stiffness, slower recovery, or weaker legs as they age. The good news is that while your body might not make collagen as efficiently as it once did, you can still encourage it to rebuild by eating the right foods. Many people immediately think of supplements, powders, or pills, but nature actually provides an incredible range of collagen, supporting nutrients in whole foods, especially in certain vegetables. By adding collagen-rich or collagen-boosting vegetables into your diet, you're not only helping your legs stay strong, but also supporting your skin, bones, and overall vitality. The first vegetable that should become a staple in your diet is spinach. This leafy green might look delicate, but it's loaded with compounds that directly help your body build collagen. Spinach is rich in vitamin C, which is one of the most important nutrients your body needs to actually create collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't complete the process of turning amino acids into strong collagen fibers. Spinach is also high in antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which protect collagen from breaking down too quickly due to free radical damage. Beyond that, spinach provides magnesium, which helps your muscles contract and relax properly, and iron, which keeps oxygen flowing to your leg muscles. Adding a handful of spinach to your breakfast omelette, blending it into a smoothie, or tossing it into a salad is an easy way to get these benefits without much effort. Seniors who regularly eat spinach often notice better energy, less stiffness, and improved endurance. The second vegetable that deserves attention is kale. Sometimes called the king of leafy greens, kale is a powerhouse for collagen support. Like spinach, it contains a big dose of vitamin C, but it also provides vitamin K, which plays a critical role in bone strength. Strong bones and collagen-rich tendons work together to protect your legs from weakness and injury. Kale is also full of sulfur compounds, and sulfur is a key mineral in collagen formation. Without enough sulfur, your body struggles to form strong connective tissues. That means including kale in your diet gives you both the raw materials and the protective nutrients your legs need to stay strong. You can enjoy kale sautéed with garlic, baked into crispy kale chips, or mixed into hearty soups. Some people find kale a bit bitter, but pairing it with olive oil, lemon juice, or even roasting it helps mellow the flavor while keeping all the nutrition intact. The third vegetable to focus on is bell peppers. These colorful vegetables, whether red, yellow, or orange, are some of the richest sources of vitamin C you can eat. In fact, red bell peppers contain nearly 3 times the vitamin C of an orange. That high vitamin C content makes them an excellent food for stimulating collagen production. Bell peppers also contain carotenoids, which not only protect collagen from breakdown but also reduce inflammation that can damage your joints and muscles. As you age, reducing inflammation becomes just as important as building collagen, because chronic inflammation eats away at muscle fibers and connective tissue. Adding bell peppers into your meals helps combat this process. Slice them raw into salads, sauté them with onions for fajitas, or roast them in the oven for a sweet, caramelized flavor. Seniors who eat bell peppers regularly often find their joints feel less stiff and their legs recover faster after activity. The fifth vegetable seniors over 70 should focus on is carrots. While carrots are famous for supporting eye health, they also play a powerful role in collagen protection. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A helps regulate enzymes that break down collagen, essentially acting as a shield against collagen loss. This is especially important in your 70s, when natural collagen breakdown tends to accelerate. Carrots also provide antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your joints, keeping your legs more flexible and less achy. Adding carrots to your diet is easy. Snack on them raw with hummus, roast them with a drizzle of olive oil, or add them into soups and stews. Because carrots are naturally sweet, They're often an enjoyable way for seniors to boost their collagen support without feeling like they're forcing down a health food. When you combine these 5 vegetables, spinach, kale, bell peppers, tomatoes, and carrots, you're giving your body an incredible toolkit for collagen support. Each one works in a slightly different way, and together they provide the nutrients your muscles, bones, and connective tissues need to stay strong. By eating them consistently, you're helping to slow down the natural decline of collagen and ensuring your legs stay capable of carrying you wherever you want to go. Sweet Carrot Seniors, Tasty Healthy Carrots, Collagen Support Carrots, enjoyable senior foods. It's important to mention that collagen production doesn't rely on one single nutrient or food. Your body uses a combination of protein, vitamin C, zinc, copper, and antioxidants to make and preserve collagen. That means pairing these vegetables with protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, fish, or beans will give you even better results. For example, a spinach and tomato omelette with whole grain toast gives you protein plus collagen, boosting nutrients in one meal. A kale and carrot salad with grilled salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids that further protect collagen. A chicken and bell pepper stir-fry with brown rice combines lean protein, healthy carbs, and vitamin C for a well-rounded dinner. When you start thinking of meals as opportunities to support your collagen, your legs will feel the difference. In your 70s, every choice you make matters more than ever. Your body is resilient, but it needs the right tools to keep functioning well. By focusing on spinach, kale, bell peppers, tomatoes, and carrots, you're choosing foods that support collagen naturally without relying on expensive supplements or complicated routines. These vegetables are accessible, affordable, and delicious, and they fit seamlessly into an American lifestyle. With every meal, you have the power to give your legs the strength they need to carry you into your 80s and beyond. Aging doesn't have to mean losing strength or independence. By nourishing your body with collagen-supporting vegetables, you're reminding yourself that health isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistent, smart choices that compound over time. The simple act of filling your plate with these 5 vegetables is a powerful way to protect your mobility, confidence, and freedom. So the next time you shop for groceries, remember that every tomato, carrot, pepper, kale leaf, and spinach bunch is more than just food. It's an investment in your legs, your independence, and your future.